In this video, I'll show you how you can change the name servers on Google Domains to a custom domain. So first you need to go to Google Domains and then go to My Domains in the top right hand corner. Once you're on your Google Domains and you've logged in, you then want to go to My Domains and obviously choose the domain you want to add custom name servers to, then click on Manage. Once you're on Manage, you can then go to DNS, and then inside of the DNS settings, you then need to go to Custom Name Servers, and then here you've got some name server entries here. So first go ahead and grab your first name server, paste it in, then grab the second one here, and you'll get these from your hosting. And if you need to add more, you can add another name server here, then click on Save. Now there's one more thing that you have to do. You have to make sure that you switch to these settings, because right now your domain isn't using these settings. So just go ahead and click on Switch to these settings. Because these aren't real name servers, it doesn't work. But if you have your real name servers, click on Switch to these settings, and that's how you change your name servers to custom ones.